Teaching business communication in distance. Designing business communication or business English courses is a team-based project involving several people who are experts in their area. First of all, there is a distance language program developer or a specialist called DLPDS, although this title could vary in various universities. Then there is a multimedia coordinator, a copyright coordinator, and an e-learning technology assistant. All of these personnel work in close collaboration. Good instructional design is the foundation of a high-quality online course. The DLPDS works closely with the developer in order to establish a framework or a structure for the course and to develop and align the outcomes and the assessments of the course. All these activities include writing the course outcomes and the structure, determining the evaluation strategies, writing the unit outcomes, and the structure of the course. Courses are designed by area experts, and the process involves a selection of topics, carrying out writing the outlines of these topics, and finally getting the approval through the whole program being reviewed by an external source. Business communication courses are normally of 3 credit hours courses, and they are divided into 45 lectures. These are further subdivided into 6 modules each of 5 minutes each. The delivery of the course is usually through getting, first of all, the lectures recorded by the expert. These are subsequently could be accessed by the learners on the university website or later on the YouTube. Once recorded, these lectures become a permanent resource for the learners and for the institution. Courses are taught on the day-to-day basis by instructors or tutors who have a significant disciplinary expertise. They guide the learners through the course content and provide support and an active and engaging learning environment. Tutors carry out the day-to-day teaching by checking the work of the learners, assessing the performance of the learners, awarding marks, compiling results. Distance education courses primarily are delivered asynchronously, as the interaction may occur at different times for the tutor and the learners. Distance courses are just as academically demanding as normal formal courses which are delivered on campus. However, they are equivalent in terms of curriculum and credit weight.